In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Viber no service problem on an Android device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes we can try. So I'm going to go through the most common fixes first. So fix number one is to check your internet connection. So Viber needs an active internet connection. So make sure to turn your Wi-Fi on. So swipe down, make sure Wi-Fi is on. Also, make sure your mobile data is on as well. If you're using mobile data, we can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And another thing we can try is toggle airplane mode on. So go ahead and click on flight mode and leave that on for 10 seconds and then turn it back off again. If your internet isn't working, Viber will show no service. Alright, fix number two is to allow required permission. So click and hold down the Viber app, click onto I, click into permissions. And then from here, we need to make sure our permissions are allowed. So at the moment, I've got no permissions allowed. So to fix this, we need to go ahead and enable all of these. So go ahead and enable phone, camera. So yeah, just go through the list and enable everything in this list. Just do that. Now, if you've got data saver or battery saver enabled, so swipe down to see if we've got that enabled, because this can cause issues too. Swipe down again. And then if you've got power saving mode on, go ahead and turn that off. It should be grayed out. That means it is off. Next fix is to go ahead and clear the app cache. So click and hold down Viber, click onto I. From here, scroll down again, click into storage and clear the cache. Do not clear the data because that will clear everything inside of the Viber application, including your account and messages, phone logs and all that stuff. Next fix is to go ahead and go to your Player App Store, search for Viber and make sure the app is up to date. If it says update, go ahead and click on update. Now, if you've got any VPNs or private DNS running in the background, just go ahead and disable them. Now, another fix is to check your date and time settings. So go to settings, scroll down, look for date and time. So under general management, click into date and time. Then from here, make sure this is enabled. So both of these automatic date and time. So use the date and time provided by your network, and also automatic time zone. So use the time zone provided by your network. If you got disabled, you probably notice a lot of apps on your phone will not work properly. Now, if all else fails, go ahead and uninstall Viber. Go ahead to your Play Store and then re-download it, restart your phone.